I mean, speaking of investing in America, I mean, one question people have right now is the appeal of U.S. assets, especially when they look at the U.S. dollar, which is trading at multi-year lows. I know the president sort of endorsed this as a good thing yesterday, but is it really a good thing if people are wondering if the dollar is the right place to be?
Well, again, U.S. always has a strong dollar policy, but a strong dollar policy means setting the right fundamentals. And I think that with President Trump's, with the One Big Beautiful Bill, with our regulatory policies, we are making this the best place to come, build your business, have tax certainty, regulatory certainty, energy certainty, and over time, the prices on the screen can fluctuate over 6 months, a year.
You don't worry about dramatic weakness in the dollar?
That, again, if we have sound policies, the money will flow in. And we are bringing down our trade deficits, so automatically that should lead to more dollar strength over time.
Are we intervening in the currency market right now, strengthening the yen? Is that happening?
Absolutely not.
Is that something you're planning to do? There was word that the New York Fed was looking for prices.
Again, we don't comment other than to say we have a strong dollar policy. And again, I think President Trump has, the past year, 2025 was about setting the table. And now I think we're going to have a very strong economy this year. The Democrats don't shut down the government. The Atlanta Fed GDP now number is 5.4%. When was the last time we saw that?
It's a high growth number, and one of the questions is, can we get that kind of growth without sparking inflation?
I think we can, because what causes inflation is supply constraint, and with the deregulatory agenda that we have, we are creating supply, whether it's in financial lending, whether it's in energy, we're increasing manufacturing. So again, what led to the great inflation was the Democrats caused a demand shock with government spending, but they caused a supply constraint with all the overregulation. We're doing the opposite. We got a private sector boom, and we are taking out dozens of regulations for every new regulation that goes in.
But there will be stimulus this year as a result of the Big Beautiful Bill, the tax refunds that are set to hit the economy. I guess the question is, can we avoid inflation in that scenario? We're already starting to see it in wages.
Sorry?
We're already starting to see the wages climb.
But we're also seeing substantial productivity. So productivity and wage growth does not lead to inflation. And there's measured inflation and observable inflation. Measured inflation is with a lag. So we can see that rents are substantially down. It's different than the measurement. So the observable inflation, some of the more online or quick sampling inflation numbers are substantially below 2% already.